Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to build a stunning WordPress website using Astra and Elementor. This combo is powerful, flexible, and perfect for both beginners and pros. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need a WordPress installation. If you haven't set that up yet, choose a reliable hosting provider like Truehost or any other you prefer. Most of them offer one-click WordPress installations. Follow the prompts to install WordPress. Once that's done, log into your WordPress dashboard. Now let's install the Astra theme. Go to Appearance and then Themes. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Astra and hit Install. Once installed, click Activate to make it your active theme. Next, we need Elementor, a powerful page builder. Go to Plugins and then Add New. Search for Elementor and click Install Now, then Activate. With both Astra and Elementor installed, let's customize your site. Go to Appearance and click on Customize. Here, you can adjust your site title, tagline, colors, and typography. Play around with these settings to match your brand. Now let's create a new page. Go to Pages and click on Add New. Name your page and hit Edit with Elementor. This opens up the Elementor editor. In Elementor, you'll see a panel on the left with widgets. Drag and drop elements like headings, images, and buttons onto your canvas. Click on any element to edit its content and style. You can customize colors, fonts, and sizes easily. Let's add a header and footer. We can create and design custom headers and footers for your WordPress website using the Elementor Header and Footer Builder plugin. This is a great way to give your site a unique look. Let's get started. First, we need to install the Elementor Header and Footer Builder plugin. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor Header and Footer Builder and hit Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate. Now that we have the plugin activated, let's create a header. Go to Appearance and then Header Footer. Click Add New to create a new header. Give your header a name and choose Header as the type. You can set the display conditions to show it site-wide or on specific pages. Now let's design the header. Click on Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, you can add your logo, navigation menu, and other elements. Just drag and drop them into your header layout. Customize the style, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Don't forget to check the responsiveness for mobile devices. Next, let's create a footer. Go back to Appearance and Header Footer. Click Add New again, but this time choose Footer as the type. Name your footer and set the display conditions. Click on Edit with Elementor to design your footer. Add elements like copyright text, social media icons, or a newsletter sign-up form. Customize them as you did with the header. Once you're happy with your header and footer, click Publish. Make sure to check how they look on both desktop and mobile views. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom header and footer using the Elementor Header and Footer Builder plugin. This gives your site a professional touch. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Preview to see how it looks. If everything looks good, hit Publish, and that's it. You've built a WordPress website using Astra and Elementor. Remember to explore all the features Astra and Elementor offer to take your site to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.